morning from the deck of Artemis. We are over here in Fisherman's Bay, getting ready to take off today. A little windy. It was 4th of July yesterday. We had a spectacular fireworks display. We also had a spectacular amount of wind. It was kind of hairy here, bouncing up and down. I think we were in the 15, 20, gusting 30. When we went to bed last night, it was like an oh my moment, to say the least. Still a little gusty here today, but not a problem. Good news that we kind of rode out the winds pretty good. We are rafted up with our friends from Cascadia. So today, short jaunt, just going over to Friday Harbor. We'll try to sail over there. We'll see how it goes. And then we actually get off Artemis for a day, go down to Seattle, come back. So most likely, not sure how much we will show of the trip, but whatever. It's all good. So anyway, we are going to get the sailboat ready, and off we go. Awesome.
And we're off.
And we're sailing. So we're having a nice sail over here. The winds are not too bad, and as a matter of fact, we kind of see a wind line coming up ahead of us. We also see a seaplane coming up ahead of us. So this is a super short jaunt to Friday Harbor. It literally is 4 nautical miles. We figured, get the sails up, why not? I mean, it's really, we are a sailboat after all, so. With a stack pad, it makes it a lot easier to go up and down. So anyway, Kathy's doing a good job. Awesome. Confident that Kathy's got it.
What is your name? Never gets old watching seaplanes come in.
This video, hit subscribe and give us a big like down below. Thanks for watching.